Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the exhaust bellows that we put onto a MerCruiser Alpha One Gen 2 gimbal housing. So here we've got the gimbal housing. You can see this is my old one that broke when the universal joint shattered. This is our exhaust bellows. So on the one side of the exhaust bellows, we actually get a flange on the boat side, but on this side we have to distort this to an oval shape and then get it over this this housing here. So it took me about 15 tries probably of putting this on, getting the clamp on, and then it popping off. And it's very annoying to do because once you have everything together, it's a very tight space. But basically, we've got to distort this over that oval ring. And so it must have been on a video online or something like that where they said to put these little clips on this housing or on this bellows, to put it at the 12 o'clock position and then to put it on like this, so it would go like that. And that is the problem of why it kept coming off. So I was putting bellows adhesive on and this tab in the wrong position. This tab is supposed to go at the 6 o'clock position, so it should go down like that, right here where my thumb is. And that allows these little teeth to bite into the aluminum, you can see them there, and hold, because the clamp, your hose clamp, will go over those and dig it into the aluminum like this. So the hose clamp will sit over something like this. It doesn't have to necessarily be exactly lined up. So I tried many times with the bellows adhesive, and that actually causes it to slip off. The bellows adhesive, if you get it on these teeth, make it so the teeth can't bite in because it gets all caked on over those teeth. And so you basically end up like kind of filling in the teeth and making a smooth surface. You don't really need bellows adhesive on this, is what I found out. And so since I had tried this multiple times and I had so much bellows adhesive on my exhaust bellows, you'll see that what I did, we'll take a look under here, is I actually put 2 clips on. So I wasn't getting enough biting force with the one clip, so I added a second additional clip up here, and then I got my hose clamp over it. And so this has been holding now for a couple of days, which is by far the longest streak. I've taken it out, tested it, moved it up and down. This is the key: get rid of the bellows adhesive, and if you're going to use it, just make sure it's not over those teeth. And then if you need, put multiple of those little clips on with teeth to get it on. Hopefully this helps. Let me know, and good luck.